Like many business owners and freelancers all over the world, you probably juggle multiple clients, accounts, and projects using your usual standard web browser. But these browsers aren't designed for the way you work. Meet Kirmada and say goodbye to cluttered tabs, confusing logins, and uncertainty about time spent on each client. Kirmada's intuitive workspaces provide a dedicated browser for every client, making it a breeze to switch between clients with just 2 clicks. Each workspace is a separate billable browser, letting you dedicate a distinct space for each client or project. Switching between workspaces is effortless. Keep your client projects separate, login details stored, and your desktop clutter-free. Collaborate effortlessly by sharing your workspace with team members, allowing you to work within the same accounts and contribute to a shared timesheet. Instantly share tabs, social calendars, and media libraries for seamless teamwork. With our innovative timer feature, Kirmada automatically tracks the time spent in each workspace, ensuring you never underestimate your billable hours. Many of our users report they are able to build significantly more each month by simply using Kirmada. Connect your client's workspace with its own social media channels, and then you can schedule all their posts in advance. Plus, your social inbox collates all your incoming messages in one place for easy and efficient engagement. Ready to experience the difference? Try it for free now. Unlock your productivity and boost profits with Kirmada. What's up, best software deals? It's Tip N from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're looking at Kirmada, the browser-based productivity tool that organizes projects and clients into feature-packed workspaces. Kirmada is a browser-based productivity tool that organizes work around your clients and projects. Kirmada uses dedicated workspaces to streamline tasks and project management. All the workspaces live in the dashboard. When you click on one, it opens like a regular web browser with all the tabs you need for your project. You'll be able to switch between clients and workspaces from the drop-down, and all the workspaces are completely separate to keep projects straight. Each workspace has a built-in timer that starts and stops whenever you open it, which makes time tracking ridiculously easy. You can add notes to timesheets and categorize time entries. Just add a category from the drop-down or create a new one to group your projects. You can even customize categories for specific workspaces. And when you click the clock iron, you'll find stats on all your time, including synopsis for you and your team. If you're already plotting what you can do with Kirmada, don't let me get in your way. Click that Buy Now button to get started. For everyone else, let's dive back in. After adding your hourly rate and retainer, you can track how much of your budget you've used by automatically starting and stopping the timer. Kirmada improves billing accuracy. It also helps you assess the time spent on projects with data. To back it up, click on the activity log for a detailed breakdown of all your timesheet entries, including the time spent, the category, and the user. And when you export the report, all timesheet entries will be organized by category. When you create a new workspace, you get a new library to upload documents for each project. Your account comes with 10 GB of file storage, so you can keep client assets in your workspace, and you'll be able to do some basic image editing without having to download the image. Each workspace has a built-in calendar where you can add tasks and notes. You can even create social media posts right from the platform. Just click Create a Post, write the copy, and upload media, then preview the post and choose to share it immediately. Schedule it or save it for later. You can set up one-time or recurring posts when the settings are ready. Just click and share to any account. If you have a team or subcontractors, you can also add them to your workspaces. They'll get an email with an option to download and log into Kirmada. If they already have an account, you can simply choose them from a drop-down menu. You can keep your browser tabs private or add them as stickies. Your teammates will be able to check those out and find all the info they need. Best of all, everyone's time syncs to the timesheet, making it easy to track hours for your entire team. If you're ready to streamline your work, simplify time tracking, and level up your organization, then you need Kirmada. Click that Buy Now button to grab this lifetime deal today.